Hello, TeknoPoint family. I hope everyone is well. We continue to recommend and review the best on this channel. As always, here you are. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the ASUS ZenBook DUO 2024. This dual-screen laptop has caught our attention, and we can't wait to share our thoughts with you. Let's explore the key features and details that make this device stand out. Pros: fantastic, flexible dual-screen design. The dual-screen setup on the ASUS ZenBook DUO is not just a gimmick. It significantly enhances usability, providing a unique and practical design. Impressive clarity, contrast, and color. Both old screens deliver stunning visuals with excellent clarity, high contrast, and vibrant colors. Excellent clip-in, clip-out keyboard. The keyboard is not an afterthought. ASUS has designed a practical and user-friendly keyboard that complements the dual-screen experience. Decent all-round performance. Powered by the Core Ultra 9 CPU, the ZenBook DUO offers respectable performance for various tasks. Cons: GPU performance constraints. While the Core Ultra 9 CPU impresses, the GPU performance might feel constrained, especially for demanding tasks. Mediocre battery life. The device's battery life leaves room for improvement. Audio quality at higher volumes. Audio quality tends to get harsh when the volume is pushed to higher levels. Key features: dual-screen design. ASUS has gone beyond the typical dual-screen laptop experience. The accompanying software enhances usability, offering genuinely usable screen space. Core Ultra 9. CPU. Powered by the Core Ultra 9 CPU with its integrated ARC GPU, the ZenBook DUO promises performance beyond standard compact laptops. However, real-world speeds might not fully match the impressive specifications. Stunning OLED displays. The top screen provides a full 3K HDR experience, and both displays offer excellent clarity and color response. ASUS has developed intuitive software to support the second screen, providing features like a virtual keyboard or trackpad with simple tap gestures. You can seamlessly expand a window from a single screen to both screens with a hand gesture. The automatic reformatting when the device is turned on its side adds to the flexibility, and dragging windows from one screen to the other is a breeze. This dual-screen setup is perfect for multitasking. Whether you're conducting web research, taking notes on a video, or having a video call while referring to documents, the ZenBook DUO eliminates the compromises associated with standard overlapping or split-screen views. Specifications: display, dual 14-inch 3K OLED touchscreens, 120 Hz refresh rate, 16:10 aspect ratio. CPU, up to Intel Core. Ultra 9 185H GPU, integrated Intel Arc graphics. Memory, up to 32 GB LPDDR, 5x storage, up to 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 ports, 2x Thunderbolt 4, 1x USB 3.2, Gen 1 Type A, 1x HDMI 2.1, 1x audio jack connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth, 5.3 dimensions, 12.3 x 8.5 x 0.8 inches, with Bluetooth keyboard. Weight, 3.6 pounds, with Bluetooth keyboard. The ASUS ZenBook DUO stands out in the realm of dual-screen laptops. ASUS has embraced innovation with Meteor Lake, offering configurations up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 185H, ensuring a smooth and responsive performance. Although the integrated graphics might not cater to avid gamers, Intel's revamped architecture showcases its capabilities, allowing decent frame rates for AAA games with adjusted fidelity settings, as highlighted in our ASUS ZenBook 14 OLED benchmarks. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to follow all technology-related products and short, useful information. We love you.